Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about get method in handler. So it is a trap for getting a property value. So what we're gonna do is remove those. We will create a const, name it as monster1, and what we're gonna do is make a secret property. Yeah, it's a secret, don't tell anyone. So and easily secret, and now what gonna do is we will add another property called icount and give it as like 4 or something like that. That's all up to you. No more, add no more property. I'm not gonna add more property. Const and create handler1 equals object. Now set a get function, and now what we're gonna do is target prop and receiver as a parameter, and then what we're gonna do is use this as a function. If prop, first we're gonna check is secret, and we will return if it is. We use the backtick method to get the string. So what we're gonna do, use the $sign, inside that target dot secret, and we will use the mathematical subtract method from the object has this. So subtract str, also known as subtract string. First you need to pass from where to where, so 0 to 4. After that we will add don't tell anyone, and else, and what we're gonna do is return select dot get and use the spread operator and arguments. And now what we're gonna do is use a const to create a proxy, name it as proxy1, use the new operator and use the proxy constructor, pass monster1 comma handler1. After that what we're gonna do is log it on a console, proxy1 dot icount, and in the second what we're gonna do is proxy1 dot secret, and if it's a secret, first you need to check this. I'm gonna comment it out that if we do another property it will be a okay, but if we log on console.secret, it gonna do is use the first word. And so think that if you are creating an website which has the forget password setting, and you can, and now he can check that his email by that. So like we are sending an email to get your password back, so the password will be like that. you know the email is secret, you can do this, so they can't use proper, you know can't see the secret email, I guess. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.